Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable auto brightness or adjust screen brightness in Vivo Y29. If you're using Vivo Y29 and now you want to adjust your screen brightness or enable auto brightness in your phone, so let's see how can you do this. There are two different ways. The first is that you have to open your phone settings, and here you have to go to main settings. In main settings you will get the display and brightness option. Here just tap on it and you will get the brightness bar. You can easily press and hold and move it to control your brightness. And here the auto brightness setting, you have to tap on it to enable auto brightness in your Vivo phone. And there's the second way, which is you have to scroll down your control panel and you'll get a brightness bar. Here you just have to press and hold and move it to control your phone brightness. And there's the auto brightness, which is a just tap on it and it will be enabled, and tap on it again and it will be disabled, just like this. So that's how you can easily enable your phone brightness and auto brightness in your Vivo Y29. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.